Hello everybody and welcome back to Ace of Arc. In today's video we're doing a little bit of a different video. We're going to be reviewing a new stoneless mortar material called Fusion Stone. So I've personally installed this new stone, and to be completely honest with you, it is incredible how well it works. Here on their website you're going to go up to your stone, and then on the left side panel select Fusion Stone. So these are going to be all your color options and everything else that you can buy with the stone. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and showing you how to install the Great Lakes Raven Stone. Just this one here. So I've already done this project, and this is the final results of the project. The stone looks incredible, and I've been very happy with this product so far. Not only is it super easy to install, it can also be used on the exterior or interior of your house, so it can make any space look way better. So the basic stone here comes in 3 different pieces: a small, a medium, and a large, and this is what they look like when they come out of the box here. You can also buy corner boxes and topsills to make any project doable with this stone. The standard sizes for the main stones is the large one is going to be 20 inches, the medium one 10 inches, and the smaller stone is 8 inches. The one thing is it only comes in 3 sizes, so when installing the stone, you really want to make sure that your seams aren't lining up. Start with a large one, then a medium one, then a small one, vice versa. Before you start installing this on an exterior wall, you want to make sure you have a weather-resistant barrier first. Then your drip edge at the bottom, followed by your starter strip, which will go along your drip edge, and make sure these are level. And then all you need is a drill, preferably a water saw, but any saw with a concrete blade will do, a drill, and the screws and clips which are provided in the stone packaging. So like I said, this is going to be our exterior wall, the white here. We're going to have our weatherproofing or weather barrier first. This is going to be along the whole wall and taped at all of the joints. Then at the bottom we're going to have our drip edge, which is shown here in the white, drilled into the wall. On top of the drip edge, we're going to add our starter strip. And we want to make sure that our starter strip and our drip edge are level, because once you start laying the stone, if you're not level, it's going to get all out of whack. Once we have our starter strip and flashing secured to the wall, we can start by placing our first stone on top of the starter strip. Then we're going to grab a clip and insert it in the top groove of the stone. For the large stones, I recommend 3 clips. For the medium stones, 2, and for the small ones, at least 1 on top and bottom. So just a quick demonstration. I'm using this bottom clip as the starter strip because I didn't have any, so I'm just using this for an example. You'll place your first stone on, put a clip at the top of your stone, and just add another clip. And it's really as easy as that to install this as you go along your rows. So this was my final product of my project over the weekend, and I thought it turned out great. If you have any questions about the product, please leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. And yeah, please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Thank you.